Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually showing you guys a live analysis that I did with my team. We marked this up on Sunday and just did a live analysis. So I want to make it clear before you guys dive into this video, I do not do signals or live analysis. Now, what I'm saying is that if you do register for SMA, there is no guaranteed live analysis daily, not even weekly. I do try to do it once a week for educational purposes, but I don't give live setups or anything like that. So I don't want anyone to sign up to feel like they get it's free game, free signals, free opportunities, nothing like that. What I do is purposely for educational purposes only. But I just want to show you guys what that looks like because a lot of people in my free group chat, if you're not part of that, the link is in bio, ask me about live analysis and setups and stuff like that. And they just want to see kind of how I teach. They want to see the Zoom. So the Zoom you're about to watch right now, it was actually 2 Zooms, but I just edited out this part because I want you guys to see this live analysis that actually did end up playing out and hitting take profit. My goal of this video is for you guys to get extra help in understanding how I personally look at the charts from a naked perspective all the way into a setup and when it executes. So if you want to see how I mark this up, continue watching. All the GBB pairs, like to me, it generally does the same vibe. I want to start with CCAD first though. Did I just say CCAD? CJ. So major up structure, no question about it. Are these all-time highs? Price action is right here. It just filled this point of interest on the 4-hour. Oh, this chart's not clear. Clear. Oh no, price action was here. The point of interest, yeah, okay. We went a little bit above that point of interest because this was price action line. So we got here, high, another high. Kind of a minor sign of weakness, possibly. And now we're not getting higher highs. So what does that mean? Let me move this. Like from this area alone, it's not any major point of interest. Do you have a markup on GJ? That's a bunch of liquidity. Okay, so let's see if this is any type of distribution. Why are people doing fireworks? Let's just see what we got over here. I don't know where I'm putting these labels. I'm just throwing them on the screen. I'm gonna move them later. If you guys don't have blue light glasses, get some. So blue light glasses are like $10 glasses on Amazon. You can literally type in blue light glasses. If your eyes start to hurt from looking at the screen, it will help you. So sorry, I just had to let you guys know because I just put mine on. Okay, so let's turn on the volume indicator and see if this PS is doing what it claims to do in terms of volume indicator, and I'm getting a no just because this UTAD is where the energy is at. So again, this is irrelevant. Okay, so now buying climax and AR needs to be the trading range now. So this is my buying climax. It kind of does align with my test, which makes me happy. Okay, that makes me happy. Make this as a dash line. That's a true climax. This will be my AR. Now, if this is my climax, that aligns better. And then my AR is kind of in the same place. But then I don't have a second test, which is not the most necessary thing in the world. And this looks like a creek though. So then it's starting to give me accumulation vibes. Okay. Because then I'm seeing silent climax, second test, spring, jump across the creek. Well, that didn't work out. So what am I talking about? Because then this would have to buy here. So that's irrelevant. Okay, yeah, so we're still in distro vibes, in my humble opinion. So you guys see how that's how you can tell the difference? Because generally speaking, sometimes you might get your 3 drives to the upside and the downside. But if this was a creek and this was a break of structure, on a string, drove across the creek, the entry would have been here. The entry wouldn't be all the way in nowhere town. So again, guys, sometimes you have to mark up the opposite things for things to make sense. Now, I'm just gonna keep this buying climax situation over here. Just because it doesn't really matter, they're all like equal at this point. Okay, now let me just see. Okay, so this buying climax, no, doesn't align with this area on the 1 hour. No, it's like an order block. I'm just gonna rough draft it here. Actually, no, because it's not working. I need to see if it aligns. Yeah, it aligns with this. Boom. So that's 1 hour. So 1 hour, okay, 1 hour, 50% order block, 30-minute imbalance. 15, it aligns with here, not there. 5-minute. Okay, well, it looks filled on the 11-minute. Minutes showing us love. 3-minute is not. 2-minute is not. So I didn't look at the other. I was looking at this area. I didn't look at this area. I want to look at both. But I think I already know that the top area, it is in the same place right here. Okay, so what time is it? Okay, so I'm looking for shorter than a 10 pip on CJ because I'm not trying to be in CJ for 12 years. Let's go look to start with the 5. Where's my high? I'll have like weeks where if I use a 10 pip stop loss, like I'll have no drawdown. So like, wait, why is this entry like this? Okay, so I have weeks where like I'll use a 10 pip stop loss and then I have no drawdown. Like I'll go up and then just go down. Then I'm like, oh my god, I wish I used a shorter stop loss. And then once I use a shorter stop loss, then I have weeks where it's just like it hits my stops me out and goes in my direction. So I mean, love-hate relationship with that. But right now with this 5.4, I can kind of afford both. Equal lows. I'm gonna rather have my equal lows. Who's that? What is 6? It's a 7. I mean, this could be a complex pullback. I'm just gonna call it that. I'm gonna call it that. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at on CJ. That's probably it because it's enough charting for me. My eyes are hurting. And when I get too lazy to look at other pairs, I don't. Because then I'm gonna try to see something that's not there. My trading range. Why am I all the way down there? For GU. Hold up, there's a lot going on. Okay, so I like this. Like we have liquidity to come up and spike. We have all the signs of weakness. We got lower lows. I don't really check forex factories, but I just don't check it because I just feel like it doesn't change my decision. Tomorrow's a holiday, so you want to check your broker and stuff, and just be like and see if what their trading stuff is like tomorrow, in case they close earlier, not open, stuff like that. I'm gonna do that later. Sometimes you just get the email. So my watch list is GU in CJ. So this is the only thing that's decently relevant. But technically, if I'm entering GU, it would be pretty soon. Oh, so CJ is a holiday. If you guys have any charts, you know where to put them. And I'm not gonna look at GJ right now because I want to get off the computer. So I might look at it after I walk away and come back. But I don't like to like force myself or my eyes if I just get like tired. So here I want to show you guys an update on the trade. So here is what it looked like first. So it did come to both entries, went to first entry and then dropped. Okay, and then actually it ended up reversing. So in the second picture here, I have a purple stop loss marked up and a new purple take profit, showing you guys a possible better 1 to 10 trade. But this is what happened with the trade, so I want to show you guys, and I hope you guys got value from this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.